Shalom, what's going on, fellas? Your damn call. What's going on, fellas? What's up, JC and this bitch? What's going on? What's the deal? Let's see who all in here. Let's see who. What's up, Goat? Goat. Smokey, what's up? I'm gonna put y'all on some game tonight. It's game time. It is game time. Yo, what's up, Brent? It's game time. That's what time it is. What's up? We finna get into some shit tonight. We already got a thumbs down. You know what I'm talking about? I'm happy to see that. I got admirers. You know what I mean? How you doing, Charlie Birchfield? You know what I mean? We love those haters. We're gonna start in 9:05. Wait, I'm just waiting for some more people to get in because people come in late. Child support, marriage is all contracts. All contracts. If you didn't sign anything, you have nothing. Okay? It's all contracts, baby. It's all contracts. Don't let nobody punk you. I'm gonna show you tonight how they're gonna try to punk you to sign for some bullshit that is not yours. Fuck them. Let these family courts die off. Let them die. Let them fucking rot in hell. Okay? Fuck them. The only people who deserve not to be paying child support are the guys that's in their children's lives. If you're in your children's lives and she's keeping you from seeing your children, no child support. No. Hell no. Child support is keeping evil bitches and evil, ugly people that work down there at the state for some cash. Nah, man, we're gonna put some reality on their ass. It's time for y'all to start saying fuck no. Hell no. I ain't signing shit. Repeat that with me. I ain't signing a motherfucking thing. Fuck, okay. You want me to sign it? Write me out a check for $1 million, motherfucker. If you serious. You ain't signing shit. This ain't no punk shit. That's why I want to know what y'all signed. We got some few people here who ain't signed shit. Kudos to you. I had signed some in the first case, got rid of the motherfucker because I wasn't being treated right. You get all the motherfucking benefits off of my signature? Man, fuck you. This ain't no slavery, motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? My second baby mama case, I didn't sign shit. I don't agree with the shit. Not go participate. I don't consent. I don't have no assent. Now we ain't got shit. No, she applied for that shit. She gonna do. If she did it without me, they gonna keep doing it without me. Real talk. I'm gonna show y'all something. Let me show y'all something. Y'all ready? Y'all remember this book? Huh? You remember this book? I want y'all to look at this book real good. When we first hit the scene, but first, let me start. This is Sham Stoppers. Okay? We a team, we a business. All right? We reserve all of our rights, legal, all that shit, ass whooping rights, go up beside a motherfucking head rights. We don't promote harm. So guess what? We don't promote that you do harm to us because we will finish it with swift fucking justice. Okay? We reserve all those rights and waive none of them. We reserve self-defense. Okay? Because some people, fellas, some people, you probably gonna have to go upside their head a couple of times if they put their hands on you. Everybody should keep their fucking hands to themselves. You can talk all the shit on the internet in a safe place. Cowards talk shit in a safe place. Motherfuckers know where we at. We know we in Austin, Texas. But look at this book, fellas. State and federal administrative law. Child support is what? Administrative law. Okay? Y'all remember this book, right? Let me see what y'all saying in the chat. Y'all remember that, right? We gave y'all the game when we very first hit the scene. This book got so much jewels in this motherfucker. Dudes wrote it. Women ain't write this book. These dudes wrote this book. And let me show you, let me share some what they wrote. Now, I'm finna dissect some shit. People, stay away from people who promoting fear. All right? Get that fear shit out of here. Everybody promoting fear right now. Everybody want to promote fear but don't want to fight. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Now, look at this, fellas. Check this out. Y'all see this shit? I'm gonna read this shit and I'm gonna break this shit down. This ain't legal advice. We don't practice law. We just read the motherfucking so-called laws, all right? Check this out. The Goldberg decision, it was a welfare case because nearly everything that follows in this chapter is a reaction to Goldberg. Be clear on the issues determined. The right to continue flow or welfare benefits is an interest protected by a procedural due process. What analysis did the court employ to come to that conclusion? Due process requires a hearing before welfare benefits are terminated. Why did the court require a hearing before the benefits to stop? That's y'all baby mama, because she take her regular ass down there and she listen to people, right? This whole listen to people, girl, you don't need him. You can go down there and get you some stamps. You can go get this and go get that. Okay, she can go get that, but then they ask her, who is the father? Her bitch ass go put your name on and you not even around. Nigga, that's forgery, nigga. Anyway, a pre-termination hearing must include the ingredients specific in the large paragraphs of opinions. Does this list apply to every hearing required by due process? Okay, check this out, fellas. The purpose of due process. In thinking about due process issues presented in this chapter, a good starting point is to ask what public-private interests might be served by a requirement that government provide for a trial type hearings. Okay, child support is Title 4D, right? Trial type hearings. It's not a state court hearing, okay? It's not an appellate court hearing, okay? It's not federal court. So if child support, if you're going to process somebody federally for child support, that shit should be brought in child support federally, because because some of them don't even want to deal with the Constitution, because under the 5th and 14th Amendment of the Constitution, you have a freedom of contract. You got a freedom contract. Can't nobody force you to sign nothing. And your bitch ass baby mama waives her rights, and she wants you to waive your rights. So that's why they bring you in there. Let me keep reading. Evaluating each of the following propositions in the context of welfare. Check this out, fellas. A trial type hearing serves as a dignitary function. It treats the individual as important, not just a cog in a giant machine. It affirms the value of fair procedure for its own shape. A right to a trial type hearing serves as an empowerment function. By demanding a hearing, recipients can seize the attention of the bureaucratic institution to prevent their problems from slipping through the cracks. Do you know what that means, what that's saying right there? Let me keep going. On a practical level, having a right to demand a hearing gives a person leverage in the settlement negotiations. Okay, check this out. When child support first starts, they're supposed to have a negotiation room. We had a video a long time ago when me and Kish, we went down to the Title 4D hearing court office where they have the hearings. And they take both people inside of a what? Negotiation room. Okay? Right? And they asking you, hey, do you want to do this and do that? But the lawyer is working for the state and your baby mama is going, so guess what? They're going to try to fool you to think this is your debt, right? Because the state passed it on her bitch ass and her bitch ass trying to pass it on you. And you supposed to say, no, thank you. I will not be contracting today. Anyway, since the bureaucracy wants to avoid a time-consuming hearing, check this out. Here go the kicker right here. I'm finna shake this right here. This is how some people been punked when they take their ass in motherfucking court. This is how they punk you, right? I'm gonna circle this shit. This is how they punk you, right here. This right here. This how these old bitch ass, slimy ass, dick in the booty ass. Hold on, I didn't want that. Hold on, there it is right there. You see that? Look, a trial type hearing helps the individual to understand. So when they ask you, hey man, do you understand your charges? No, ma'am, I don't understand. They get mad when you say you don't understand, right? And accept. So they want you to accept a negative government decision. Therefore, it tends to enhance people's satisfaction with the government and to diminish their desire to what? Resist it. Do you see this bullshit? So a lot of y'all have been tricked and punked to sign some shit. Okay? We gave you this book in 2016. That's why I said nobody should be on child support. Nobody should be on child support. Nobody. So when you come in there with your paperwork, that's why I said Shamstoppers released a lot of niggas off of child support. But when y'all went in there, they punked your motherfucking ass and they changed your mind, because the most powerful thing is on this planet is your mind. So that's what they had to do, is change your mind. But you had your mind made up and inside of your gut. So when something inside of your gut said ain't right, guess what? It's not correct. This is a student book. This is what these people use. Yeah, so in other words, they want you to feel like you're getting a fair hearing. When you lose, you accept. Thank you, Panny Eater. That's what the fuck they want. They want you to receive they playing with you. You send your paperwork in with this other nigga that's selling, right? The shit was right the whole fucking time, but they had to play with your mind. I'm gonna say it again. The shit was right the whole fucking time, but they had to play with your mind. They here to play with your mind. Fellas, you a man, you make your mind up on your own. You got to live in that body. Yes, it's a mind fucking game. They rehearse this shit behind the fucking scenes. Hey, when I move my ear, when I cough, when you ask her a question, the pussy bitch, the bitch up there, she like, huh? Huh? She hear you, but she gonna. That's why it's called court. They want to play games with you. That's why I'm not participating in that shit. I'm not participating in that bullshit. You're not gonna play with me. You're not going to play these mind games with me. It's a trial type. It's fake. You ain't committed no murder. You ain't injured no party. It's a trial type. It's a look, I'm gonna hit y'all with this because your baby mama feeling some type of way. Right? Real talk. Y'all being fucking fooled. These people playing games with you, man. They playing games with you. They playing games with y'all. Time out for the bullshit. Okay? They done induced y'all into signing some shit. You know what I mean? And then when you sign it, guess what? You don't obey that little order, guess what? They put your ass in jail for signing that shit. But I'm gonna hit you with something. They never tell you you can get out of this shit. They never tell you you can get rid of that contract. Because guess what? They want to keep you locked in with some devilish shit. Shamstoppers is not your fucking enemy. And we got bitch ass motherfuckers coming in and out of here. You know what I'm talking about? Scary ass people. Fellas, you got to be willing to resist. You got to be willing to fight. Man, fuck resisting. I ain't down with the resist. I'm not for whooping some motherfucking ass. Put your hands on me, I'm going to hurt you. Bottom line. Yeah, baby mamas are the enemies. Because she can get that shit without you. They don't need you. If she can go suck another dick and won't tell you, guess what? She can sign and get that application, get that money without you too. Yep, I only see 2 people responding too, JC. That's it. And I'm gonna tell you something. A lot of these, it's a bunch of dudes want to be on child support because the bitches got them on lock because they listen to they no good mammy. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just gonna keep it 100, man. Ain't no bitch gonna pimp me. Real talk. Yeah. My second baby mama, she owed the fucking state all that money. She owed it. She's the obligor. Real talk. Tell these people to keep their hands to themselves. You ain't committing no crime. Fellas, those are your children. Why you gotta pay for something that you already own? She can't even take care of. Well, you have a legal duty. Well, yeah, I got a legal duty to whoop your ass. Let me put something up about legal parenting. Let me put this shit up. I'm finna put some shit up for y'all. Real talk. I'm gonna put some shit up for y'all. Y'all got a right to control your children. You got a right to discipline your children. You got a right to tell your children what schools you can go to. All that. Real talk. Yeah. Fellas, she ain't supposed to put y'all name. Don't nobody supposed to put y'all name. Look, I'm gonna hit you with something. I can't go to the dealership and go put none of y'all name to go get a car. I can't go to the dealership and put her name to get a car. So why she can put my name to go get some money from the state? Huh? And you know goddamn well all that money ain't going to them fucking children. Let's keep it 100, man. The 14th Amendment says you have a freedom of contract. Go look it up. Because you got a illiterate motherfucker talking about, they still can prosecute you without. Nigga, get the fuck out of here. Set me up for some money. It's got to be a contract. If you ain't signed nothing, you've been played impliedly, expressly. Okay? Real talk. She ain't the intended beneficiary. It's straight fraud. Real talk. It's straight fraud. It's these punk ass, bitch ass motherfuckers. Them punk ass attorneys, them family law attorneys. It's them niggas. That's your fucking problem. Exactly, Charlie Birchfield. She broke it, and that's why they trick you into signing new contracts. They trick you to signing new contracts. I put it up on a feminist book, From Bloomingdale's to Bloomers, where it says the lawyer know when they see a sucker come around to win you up all your money. I don't understand nothing they talk about. I don't understand. Child support is a service. Child support is a business. Okay? That's all it is. It's a service and a business. I put it up. If she can refuse it, you can too. All right? You guys been duped, bro. Y'all been duped. I'm finna share something else with y'all. Hold on. You guys have been duped. You know. Sorry y'all been duped. It's some people who want to see y'all on child support. I don't want to see none of you on child support. I don't want to see none of you. You know what I mean? Y'all, I don't want to see none of y'all go through this shit. Okay? Y'all shouldn't be going through this shit. I'm about to put up some more shit right here too. Check this shit out, fellas. What we got on the screen? Blackmail. See that? Blackmail. Y'all see that? This is a late term for felon for the felony of demanding money or other property with menaces. It may take various forms. Demanding money with menaces by writing, knowing the contents and without reasonable or probable cause. Child support ain't got no probable cause. Child support does not have probable cause. Okay? Fellas, get ready. Hit the email up. The school is here. Sign up. Hit me up, sign up. Well, hit the email up. We starting Tuesday night. We starting Tuesday night. Y'all see that? Demanding with intent to steal by writing and verbally anything capable of being stolen with the intent to steal. Attempted extortion by threats, by publishing or threatening to punish any libel. Let me hit you with some. They said, check this out. This goes to the people who unsigned some shit, right? They gonna threaten you if you sign some shit, right? But if you didn't sign nothing, they threaten you, they in trouble. Okay? Real talk. Real talk. It's people on YouTube work for the government. Okay? Hold on a second, fellas. Let me put some more shit up here for y'all. Let me put some more shit up here just for y'all. Okay? Wait a minute. I'm looking for the word legal parenting. Yeah, it's safe to say you didn't sign nothing. You ain't signed nothing, you good. You can get these people, man. They gonna have to produce that contract. Right, right. Exactly. Hold on. Legal. I looked it up. Let me see. Legal parenting. Hold on. It was legal parenting. Legal parenting. Wait a minute, fellas. I'm looking for it. I think it's in my other book. It's got to be in my other book. Wait a minute. Yeah, man. Hold on. Let me stop sharing that. Let me stop sharing that one. Let me put up the other one. Look at that shit. Sending threatening letters, threatening to kill any person or damage property. See that shit? Man, I got some shit over here, Shalom. I got some shit over here, my nigga. Motherfucker don't want to talk about go to court. Nigga, please. Going no fucking court for what? That ain't even no court. It's a business meeting. Child support is a business meeting. I want y'all to get that through y'all head. Child support is about money. It's about interest. I'm finna show y'all something. Let me show y'all something how it's about the interest. Y'all finna be pissed off. Woo, y'all finna get pissed off. Hold on. Y'all about to get pissed off, fellas. Y'all about to get pissed off. I'm finna send y'all some interest shit. Hold up. I'm finna show y'all some shit. Hold up. Y'all ready? Let's get to it, gents. Let's get to it, gents. See that? What that say, fellas? What that say, fellas? Interest is the money paid for the use of money, where one borrows money of another, promising to repay it with additional amount. The sum borrowed is called the principal. Ain't that in your child support shit? It says in the interest of who? Come on, man. And the additional amount interest, it is usually stated as so much percent, i.e. so many dollars of interest for every $100 of principal. All profits are not interest. It must be a return for another's money lent or retained. Thus, the profits upon money invested in a business or dividends on a stock are not interest. One may receive profits or dividends to any amount. Y'all see that? Look at that shit. Fellas, y'all better read that shit. Y'all see that? On what allowed. There are three general cases, excuse me, fellas. Three general classes of cases in which interest occurs, where it is expressly contracted for, right? Many cases where such an agreement is implied. 3, where a debt has become due that but remains unpaid. You see that? The most common instance in the first class is where money is borrowed by one of another. The debtor usually especially agrees to pay the debt and interest. You see that? But in many cases where the money of one is borrowed or detained by another, the agreement to pay interest is implied from the nature of the business or the usual custom. That is the second class. Y'all see this? Interest. They use that word interest. Child support is equity, and with equity, you have to have a contract. I keep telling y'all, I didn't sign anything. I didn't sign nothing. Y'all liking this tonight? Interest. Blessings versus Freestone. Child support is not for the best interest of the child. Come on, fellas. It's for the interest of the state. Child support is for the interest of the state. Because the state borrowed from the federal government, right? And the state needs an asshole to sign for it, your baby mama, because she's born an asshole. Not an asshole, a dummy. A bird brain. All these bitches that use child support are bird brain bitches. Already, tag man, already. In the interest of your child, and Blessings versus Freestone said it ain't the best interest of your child. Man, y'all been playing, man, they been playing with y'all. Hey, when you wake up, I'm gonna tell y'all something. You know how you ever been in a fight with somebody, or you ever been picked on before? And the motherfucker used to come bother you every day. I used to get picked on. I ain't gonna lie, I used to get picked on and shit. Right? We all been through that. Right? The judge told me all courts of equity. Yeah. Yeah. Interest. This is the financial. It's business. And they need to fool you to talk you out of from signing some shit. Hey, check this out. This is how they think. You got to start thinking like they think. Well, shit, he coming up in here. This nigga gonna make us some money. I'm gonna punk him and make sure he signs. I'm gonna trick him into signing it. Tell him he'll go to jail and all this. And what happens? Y'all fall for it. Me, I tell him straight up. Oh, you gonna take me to jail if I don't sign? All right, well, take me to jail. I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you when I get out this bitch, nigga. Put your hands on me too. I'm gonna beat your ass. I didn't sign shit for my second baby mama's case. That's her case. That's her loan. She owes $9,000 to the state. That's between they in the bed with each other, sucking each other, jacking each other. All this they be. I don't care. I'm not involved. If they want to involve me, it's gonna be $1 million, and everybody gonna have to suck this dick. But they don't want to do that. Real talk. Now I'm running shit because you asked me to come participate in your funky ass program. I didn't call y'all for motherfucking help. You trying to hit me up. You know what I'm talking about? Fellas, we're going to learn some shit about the mailbox rule. We're going to talk about the mailbox rule because a lot of people don't understand that. Exactly. It's not a crime. It's civil. Exactly. So civil means contracts. I put that up. Let me put some more shit up for y'all. Hold up. Let me see. Can I find some? Let me see. Can I find something else for y'all? Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some pen in it. Y'all see that? Y'all see that shit? Check this out. So I was locked up, right? Them dumb motherfuckers had a goddamn hearing twice, right? They didn't have no consideration. I was in jail. Nothing was given. They didn't say, hey, man, let's go get him out of jail because I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you how these stupid motherfuckers down here fucked up. Because when I was going through my first baby mama case, they used to get the inmates from jail at the little private court to put them on child support. But they didn't want me come in there. They didn't get me because I was going to disrupt all this fake bullshit. Okay? So they didn't give me no consideration. They didn't come get me and give me a Johnny sack and say what I wanted to say. Because guess what? They know I wasn't going to accept the bullshit. Okay? The acceptance of an offer was not communicated. They didn't offer me nothing. Wagering. So they already put their calculations as L dumbass put on the computer with his stupid ass. They already waged $9,000. I owe them something. I owe them shit. Check this out. Family relations are prejudice. Look, this is one women shit. And you're gonna be prejudiced when you take your ass down there. When you, especially when you say no. We giving it to you, man, on this Sunday fun day. Real talk. Real talk. Y'all see that right there? Family relations are prejudiced. Stopping the bullshit before it starts. You know what I'm talking about? So you got people on YouTube telling me what I'm gonna pay, like they're gonna come over here and do something. Man, I dare, motherfucker. You won't leave this house walking. Real talk. Because guess what? I don't go to nobody's house. I don't go talking shit. I don't tell y'all to go hurt somebody. I don't tell none. I don't say none of that. You got people out here that's jealous that they can't do what I have done. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk. Real fucking talk. That's what it says. Let me get a definition of an agreement. Let me give you the definition of an agreement. On a contract. Hold up. Take this shit off. Let me zoom that shit one more time. Hold on. Let me zoom it in one more time. One more again. Y'all see that? Family relations are prejudiced. They prejudice against you. Not racist, but prejudice. Hold on. Let me pull some more shit up here for y'all. Hold up. Did y'all see the one on contracts? It has to be an agreement. There has to be an agreement. Wait a minute. There has to be an agreement, man. If it's not an agreement in writing, guess what? They have no case whatsoever. Remember that, fellas. I'm going to put it back up one more time. We got 19 in the room. This is what they do to y'all right here. You got to have a mutual agreement. Right here. That's how they did y'all. When you knew the shit wasn't right, they made you accept the shit that wasn't right and correct. That's what they did. They played you. They violated this up here. Right here. I want y'all to focus on this shit real good. I want you to focus on this shit. Just how evil you got. Weak ass people. Weak people do evil things. I really want y'all to realize that. Weak people do evil things. Weak motherfuckers. You know what I mean? I gotta find it, man. Hold on. I gotta find it. I put that book up yesterday. I put that shit up yesterday. Let me see. Because it said a contract is an agreement between the parties. I put it up yesterday. Hold up. Hold up, fellas. I'm going to have to get it. Let me get it. Let me pull it up where it says a contract is an agreement. Hold up. Wait a minute. Fuck. Hey, can you let me see something. All right, check this out. I'm about to put it up. Okay, y'all see that? A civil wrong. Look at that. What's a civil wrong? Civil wrong is broader than tort or delete, embracing also breaches of contract and of trust, breaches of a statutory duty, and defects in performing public duties. Right? So why are you being sued for child support? If they get you because you signed some shit, they're going to get you for breaching that, what you signed. They say you disobeying the order. But if you didn't sign, what they getting you for? They getting there to trick you into signing. And under the 14th Amendment, you reserve the right, and the 5th Amendment, you reserve the right for freedom of contracting. It's in the 14th Amendment, man. Them amendments is powerful. So if the amendments ain't powerful, then why are they trying to suspend it? Why are they suspending it then? I must be sounding stupid right now, right? I sound crazy, right? Come on, man. Wake the fuck up, fellas. A civil wrong. They call you a criminal when you don't pay them no money. That's when you become a criminal. You say, nah, I ain't give you no money, bitch. Fuck you. Okay? Man, they don't like me, man. But I don't give a fuck. If your life is focused, if you focused on me, that means you don't have a life. Your life ain't shit. You know what I mean? People who focus on other people's lives, they ain't shit. Remember that, fellas. People giving you all this energy to cause you hell, and you don't want to have nothing to do with them. Oh, I forgot. Hold up, y'all. I got a couple of more. Here we go. It's gonna get better. Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Y'all ready for some more shit? Huh? Let me show y'all what I be reading. Y'all see this book? Go get you one of these books, man. Look at this. Harvard, baby. See that? I'm going to show y'all what's in it in a few seconds. I love making asses out of people who want to talk about me, making a video about me, and they retarded and can't read. I love it, man. Thank you for the advertisement, player. I appreciate you. Thanks for the advertising. Terry Parks, I want to say thank you. Thank you for the advertisement, my friend. Thank you, dog. Keep making the videos about a nigga, please. Thank you, dog. Check this out, fellas. Y'all see this? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Y'all see this? Such rights of private persons against the state exist not only in civil law, but also in constitutional and administrative law, so-called public law. What's the deal? Child support public, ain't it? I'm going to read it again. Such rights of private persons against the state exist. You see that? Such rights of private persons exist. Look at this shit. We're going to read at the top. To an obligation of the state, there corresponds a right of a private person only if the private person whose legally protected interest is violated can be a party in the process issuing the case in case the obligation remains unfulfilled. The process need not necessarily lead to a sanction against the state organ which was immediately responsible for the fulfillment of the obligation. If the right is violated by an illegal act, which what they done to me, false imprisonment, now they trying to act like, hey, we had an agreement and all that old shit, right? No, sir. Act of the organ, the aim of the process can be to have an illegal act annulled. If the right is violated by an illegal omission of an act of the state prescribed by law, the aim of the process can be to bring out about the legal act. In both cases, the aim of the process can be to obtain what? Reparation for the illegal cause damage. Such rights of private persons against the state exist not only in civil law, but also constitutional and administrative law, so-called public law. What's up, fellas? Huh? What's the damn deal, nigga? Huh? So I've been lying since I've been on YouTube telling you I'm not on child support. I got some more ammo. Look, I got some over here at ShamStoppers. It's like an infinite ammo. We a cheat code. We got infinite ammo. When you put cheat codes and playing all them old army games and shit. Y'all see that? Motherfucker tried to set me up with a second case while I'm in jail. Didn't call me out. They were supposed to come pick me up while I was in jail and try to sign me on a new case. Fellas, if they violate any of your rights and you put it in writing and you give it to them, man, you can sue them, man. You just got to get these dig for these laws. That's why I said we finna hit this school Tuesday. Man, we killing this motherfucker, man. Man, thanks for the advertising, man. I want to thank old dude for doing that. Thanks for the advertising. I want to say thank you, player. I told you we run this shit and we ain't giving it back. We run this child support shit and we ain't giving it back. So guess what, fellas? I hope y'all have a good night tonight. peace, love, blessings, child support is for niggas who ain't coming back. If you want to be in your children's life and you try to make an attempt and she keeping you away from your child, no child support. She don't need to be getting no child support. None whatsoever. None. 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 So, man, y'all have fun tonight, man. Hit us up. Y'all know what time it is. Bang the hey, hit the email up. Hit our email up for the class Tuesday. Hit us up for the class Tuesday. It's a $50 love offering. $50. It's a $50 love offering. We're going to give y'all some hella game. Okay? $50 love offering for everybody can afford on this YouTube thing. Hit us up, man. $50 love offering. We're going to give y'all some books. Give you some references of some books. You probably can do it online. But $50 love offering. $50 love offering. Hit us up, man. Hit me up before Tuesday morning. So everybody got this. So you know when to hit us up for $50. You know what I'm talking about? This shit is gonna be fun. Tuesday class is gonna be fun as the fuck. Y'all gonna be laughing. You're gonna be trying not to laugh at these people who work for the state because they retarded. They think they smart, but they not. Because if they were smart, they wouldn't need that job. They'll have their own shit instead of feeding off somebody else, being a fucking parasite and a blood fucking sucker. So hit us up, fellas. We signing off. Peace.